All right, we got a Wildwood right here. I know I like me some Wildwoods. I own one. I think it's probably one of the best designs on the interior, exterior. You got outdoor TV, but look at this. This is why. Nice, big, huge living room, back kitchen. This has great pantry, storage. I mean, look at this. It's like residential living. You got a sofa sleeper. You got a dinette sleeper. You got recliners, fireplace, nice TV, cold AC on this one. Woo! You get a private bedroom with a closet and a nice big bathroom.